Hi guys. Today I am going to show you how to fix disabled iPhone by using iTunes. Now what you need to do is turn the phone off. We have to turn it on in recovery mode. Recovery mode is needed to flash this Apple iPhone. Hold down the menu button and plug in the cable. As you can see, the iPhone is now in recovery mode or software mode. Let's start the flashing. Choose the file and download it as I have shown you in my previous video and start flashing. The flashing process takes about half an hour to completely finish. For your convenience I sped this video. After the flashing is complete, wait for the iPhone to start and the menu will appear. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hope it helped.